Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, it's a bit different and I'm obsessed with this color. This is from Hurelahair. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, and this is their chocolate water wave wig, but I swear this is more of a ginger. I don't know if it's a full chocolate wig because it has a bit of like red/orange in it, so I guess I don't know, up to you guys, but I'm gonna call it an auburn type of wig. And this is their transparent lace wig, and I forget the inches, I believe it's 24, but I will put all the information in the description down below. I'm obsessed with this install. The hair is super nice and it's so soft and fluffy. It's not like a high density wig, but it's nice and puffy, so it works out, and I really don't have anything bad to say about this wig. The install was super easy and everything, so if you guys want to see how I did all of this, then keep on watching. So now the color matches pretty well, not the best, but it's okay because this wig is orange, kind of. This is their chocolate water wave. I would say it's more of an auburn. It's kind of coming off red on camera, but I feel like it's more of like a dark ginger. That's what I see. And the curl pattern looks really nice and loose, so this should be good. And then the lace is it's a transparent lace, but it's still pretty thin, so I should be able to work with it. Not bad at all. It's not thick at all. And as for the knots, you don't really have to bleach them, but I personally did, just because I wanted to see like if it would make a difference, and it kind of did, so you can bleach the knots. Alright guys, that is the final look, and I'm obsessed. I love the color, the texture looks so good, and all I had to do was just put a little bit of mousse and you're good to go. Edges are bomb. The lace worked out even though it's not HD lace, but it does what it has to do. It had like a little bit of a tint, so it worked perfect for my skin, so just be aware that it does have a little bit of a tint, but other than that, the hair was easy to work with. This was a really quick install, and yeah, I really like it. So if you guys enjoyed, give me a thumbs up, comment below what you'd like to see, and make sure you guys subscribe for my next video.